Hey everyone, welcome to the end of July's market stats for Chittenden County, Vermont. I'm excited to share with you what has been happening for price, days on market trends, and you'll see at the end why July is my favorite month for buyers in the market. Okay, so you can see here that for single family, we were down slightly from last month, but significantly over 16% over last year, which is a pretty insane amount of growth still in a market that continues to be a challenge for buyers to shop in. And then for condos, although we were down for last year, we did see an increase from last month, which tells us that the condo market is a bit improved in terms of what buyers are finding to be of value. Okay, and on this slide, we have our list to sales price ratio, which is how much over asking price did sellers receive for their properties. And you can see here that for single family and condo, we continue kind of to see a decrease in over sales price, however, still at 100 or as you can see with single family at 102 plus percent, which tells us that we are still experiencing a market where sellers are receiving their asking price, but it's a little bit less than it had been either not only last month, but last year. So this slide here is median days on market and very much follows the trend of the last slide, which was telling us that sellers are not getting as much over their asking price. And in this case, this is sharing with us that sellers are not receiving offers as quickly and that homes are not going pending as fast. So for 8 days for single family and 12 days for condo. And this is the first time we've seen double digits in one of our categories. So that's an interesting indication that homes are sitting on the market a little bit longer, especially in this time of year of July.
Hi everybody, Justin Mead here with the mortgage team of Vermont at CMG Home Loans, putting this video together today to go over what's happened recently in mortgage rates and explain why you might want to revisit your pre-approval, or if you closed in the last couple of years, maybe look into a refinance. So you can see this chart behind me. This is the bond market, and let's take a look a little bit closer. I'll share my screen and we'll come back to this in just a second. This is what we want to look at. So this is the mortgage bond market, and this is pretty much exactly what dictates mortgage rates. Anytime this is going up, mortgage rates are going down. Anytime this is going down, mortgage rates are going up. Well, you can see there's been a trend. Now, this is looking back 3 months, a decent trend upward, especially in the last couple of weeks, with last Friday putting us at levels that we haven't seen since May of 23. So if we look back 2 years, okay, you can see what's been happening over time. This is what happened on Friday. We got up to this point. We haven't seen that level since May of 23, somewhere in this range. So what that means is anybody who bought between May of 23 and now, it's probably worth a conversation with your loan officer, or you can call me to explore what a refinance might do for you. And if right now isn't the time, the general trend is that this will continue and we should see bond pricing continue to go up. At what pace is to be determined, but ideally before the end of the year, we'll get to even better levels, maybe back to where we were in 22, and then into next year, possibly even lower. That's the ultimate goal and projection. Now you can see this week, we've had a bit of a bounce back, so rates aren't quite as good as they were on Friday, but still worth exploring. Now, if we look at an example, okay, now nothing quoted here is official. This is just kind of a hypothetical scenario of a buyer who maybe was pre-approved for a purchase price of $500,000, putting 20% down. Let's say they were quoted a rate of 7%, and today they revisited things and their rate got as low as 6.375. I don't know if your rate would drop that much or not, but let's say it does. That would give you an extra $26,000 in buying power on whatever it is you're looking at. So maybe a $500,000 home just hit the market. Well, now you can go in over asking and feel comfortable that your payment won't change, right? Or maybe a higher priced home hit the market that before you wouldn't even consider. Well, now you could because the affordability is there. So absolutely reach out to your loan officer or call me. I take on new clients every day and I'd be happy to chat and at least give you a second opinion and see what you could do to either increase your buying power or save yourself some money with a refinance. Hope you found this helpful. If you want to chat, give me a call at 802-318-2695 or email me at justin@themtvt, that stands for the Mortgage Team of Vermont.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
So that was what I had for you for today. And you can see my insight on this last slide is about buyers. And this is my favorite time of year to help buyers go under contract because of that data that you just saw. Homes are not selling for as dramatic over asking price, and they are not flying off the market in 3 to 5 days, which really was the trend almost all of 2022 and into 2023. So we've seen some nice numbers in 2024, and I'm excited about what Justin shared about the interest rates as well and where that could open up some opportunities for buyers who might have been sitting on the sidelines. So if you have any questions about buying, selling real estate in Chittenden County, you know where to reach me. Thanks everyone. I'm Julie Danaher.